Hi everybody, I hope you're doing great tonight. Thank you for coming. So today we're going to talk a little bit about a treatment that we offer, which is Transform. And this is a non-invasive solution to help people get to their weight loss goals and to feel really confident with themselves. So just starting out, what is it? So this is a non-invasive treatment designed to specifically target loose or sagging skin, and what makes it really unique is that it works on multiple levels at once. So it helps to burn fat, tighten the skin, and even build muscle. And these treatments, they're fully customizable depending on what the client needs. There's no downtime, so clients can go right back to their day while still getting that natural looking result. And today we're going to talk a little bit more about modalities, treatment areas, and pairing this treatment with peptides and GLP-1s. So first of all, three key benefits. So what really sets Evolve X apart is that it uses these three different technologies: tight, tone, and transform. And they each do something different, but they work really well together. So first of all, tight focuses on skin tightening by stimulating collagen and elastin deep within the skin. Tone is using electrical muscle stimulation to create contractions, which helps to strengthen and define the muscles in the treated area. And what's really cool about this treatment is within a 20-minute time frame, if say we were to treat the abdomen, you're doing about 2,000 crunches in 20 minutes. So this is a really great treatment. It's doing the workout for you and helping you get that very toned and defined look without even having to go to the gym. And then finally, Transform is just the combination of both of those. So you're getting fat reduction, deep heating, and muscle contractions all at once for a more noticeable and consistent result. And depending on the client, we can use just one of these modalities, we could use two of them, or we can use all three, depending on what your focus really is. So what the patient experiences, on the right hand side here, these are what those probes look like, and we put ultrasound gel on them so that it's more comfortable for our client. And you'll just feel a warm, heating sensation and those muscle contractions. That could be the only thing that's a little bit stronger and a little bit more uncomfortable, but depending on the client, some can go up really high and they're able to tolerate very well. So no needles, no surgery, and these sessions are about 30 to 40 minutes long. So considering that 20 minutes is giving you 2,000 crunches, we're doing 30-minute treatment, so even a better workout. There is no downtime, and we're starting to see some really great improvements after 6 to 8 treatments, noticing that muscle definition almost immediately after 6 treatments, and then within 8 to 10 treatments starting to see that skin tightening. We usually do recommend frequent treatments, so once a week. Some common treated areas and also some before and after pictures. We can treat the abdomen, love handles, thighs, calves, arms, the back side. And these are some really great photos. This first one of the woman's stomach, we can see those marks on her stomach. That's where we would place those probes to get a really nice contraction. And we can see that she lost quite a bit of fat and also helped with skin tightening. On this arm here with women, we generally treat the bottom of the arm because we're really helping that skin tightening. And then this is a great before and after picture as well of the back where we see skin tightening and fat loss as well. So going into Transform with peptides, GLP-1 medications like Semaglutide, they can really drive significant weight loss. And weight loss alone, though, doesn't give the best aesthetic result, which is why we really love to pair Transform with GLP-1s. So first, just going into faster visible results. Of course, we lose weight from a GLP-1 or a peptide, but Evolve X is helping to enhance shape and definition. They can have a more sculpted look rather than just losing the weight. Second, we address skin quality. Many people notice they have Ozempic face or Ozempic skin and they're losing that laxity. And rapid weight loss can lead to sagging skin. So we're using that radio frequency to stimulate collagen and keep the skin firm. Third, we're supporting muscle. Some muscle loss can happen, and we incorporate that EMS treatment to help maintain and build tone. And we actually have done studies with our in-body machine. In-body tracks fat loss, muscle mass, fat percentage, visceral fat, and when we're doing transform treatments, we really like to focus on the muscle maintenance when somebody's on a GLP-1. So the goal is to maintain muscle mass or even build muscle mass, and we're noticing people who are doing transform while on a peptide, they're actually maintaining their muscle mass, sometimes even building muscle, which is really great when somebody's on something like semaglutide. So finally, body sculpting versus just weight loss. Instead of just losing weight, patients end up looking tighter, stronger, and more contoured overall, which is really the goal for them to feel confident and have that natural look rather than just losing weight.